Hey, what's up, HMAP? Here's a quick demo of the Lone Wolf Tannhauser. Okay, what we're gonna do is just kind of demo out the Ingle Savage. I've got it on channel 4 here. You can kind of see where the gain's set. It's relatively, a little bit past noon on here. Master's up, lead volume. These are kind of close to my normal settings. Presence here. What I want you to notice here, I've got no other pedals on. I obviously run, quite a bit of gain with the Burning Spirit and the left-hand Wrath. Right now, here's my Tannhauser settings, which are similar to Blockade. Gate up here about, 4 or so. On this side's going into the effects loop. This one's going from the left-hand Wrath. Actually, it's going from the rat here, the end of the chain, into channel 2 of the Tannhauser, into the front of the amp. So I've got my Jackson Warrior with EMGs. Right now the volume's down on it, but I want you to listen. If I turn front of the amp off, it's quiet, okay? And that's with the guitar off, just the way it is. Now if I turn the effects loop off, you can hear the noise coming out of the amp. Now, I want to demonstrate here kind of a little bit more, because if I go to turn the volume up on my guitar, now you get quite a bit more noise out of there, right? If I go to turn up here, depending on where I am, you can hear all the noise. Now, if I go to engage the Tannhauser, it's quiet as fuck. Now, with just the front here engaged, it kills the noise from the guitar, and then this kills all the noise from the amp. If I take off the front, you can hear it's pretty silent. But when I go to play, let's just do that real quick. Okay, you still get a little bit of bleed through, from the front of the amp, from the Burning Spirit and the left-hand Wrath and shit, so it's not as tight as it could be. Even though it's doing a pretty damn good job now. If I engage channel 2, okay, you can hear how tight it is. Now if I take off channel 1 and channel 2, if I engage just channel 2 only, which is the front of the amp, I still get the noise from the amp here in the effects loop. And then if I engage both of them, the effects loop and the front, obviously it quiets the whole damn thing. So you can see that there's totally different dynamics and noise, coming both from the amp and the guitar both, and then in combination with your effects pedals. Not all these overdrives and high gain pedals are quiet. They make a lot of noise. And if you run a lot of, gain and want, for playing extreme music and stuff, the Tannhauser's it. I don't think you can get much better. It stops all the noise in the front and the effects loop, and still allows you to get the most brutal fucking high gain sounds out of your amp, and get the cleanest stops possible when you really want those tight stops. So hats off to Lone Wolf for that.